The Jeep name can be a permit to print cash, and the Cherokee average size SUV is in the biggest SUV section that hints at no business moderating at any point in the near future. Be that as it may, FCA still has some work to do, which is the reason the 2019 Jeep Cherokee, which influences its presentation at the 2018 Detroit Auto to appear, gets a noteworthy refresh. The Cherokee appeared in 2013, supplanting the Jeep Liberty that had just 3.5% piece of the pie. The renamed Cherokee had work to do it if Jeep needed to recapture its position in the portion. The SUV experienced an emotional plan change and was remunerated with a tripling of its piece of the overall industry. There is still all the more making up for lost time to do. US Cherokee offers of just about $170,000 a year ago were down 15% from 2016, so it tumbles to the revived 2019 model, influencing its reality make a big appearance at the 2018 North American International Auto Show to remake request. Worked at the Belvidere, Illinois get-together planned, the 2019 Cherokee goes marked down this quarter. It is the most present-day search for Jeep to date, said FCA plan boss Ralgio, referring to the new mark lighting and less body cladding. It will feel like another auto. Being a revive, the 2019 Cherokee's wheelbase and undercarriage are the same, however it now shares the new family look as of now on the invigorated Jeep Grand Cherokee. The 2019 Cherokee gets another face with a more vertical hood made of aluminum, new headlights that consolidate the daytime running lights into a solitary unit, and also another front clasp and belt. There is another double-sheet sunroof, 5 new wheel plans, new hues, refreshed taillights, raised belt, and double fumes. All incandescent lamps have been supplanted by LEDs, even on base models. The new composite liftgate spares 18 pounds by jettisoning the old aluminum one and is currently sans hands. Open it with a quick kick of a leg under the sensor.